Okay, so we've got a 2019 Haval H6 LUX automatic SUV in black. Travelled 10,000 kilometres. Currently Victorian registered as it came from just over the Victorian border, but it will be sold with New South Wales registration unless it goes into state. Got the front and rear sensors, tyres near brand new of course, and the vehicle exceptional condition as you'd expect. Take a look at the interior. So we've got the Bluetooth connectivity on the steering wheel and cruise control, radio controls, and there's your dash there, 10,135 the kilometres. Got the big colour screen there, it's dual zone climate air, automatic, and a little command centre there as well. Leather interior, it's in excellent condition. There's your front passenger, 2 keys and logbooks. It has had 2 services already. There's your back seat, looking pretty much brand new. And I'll just show you inside the boot. A nice big boot. All inquiries welcome.